Mga ka-surprise, it's August 9. Sorry, it's October 9 na pala. Guys, I've done this video before, pero pinalabas po nila tayo, or hindi naman pinalabas, sinabihan lang tayo na bawal daw mag-vlog, bawal mag-video. Pero guys, susubukan ulit natin, baka this time makalusot naman tayo kahit paano. Pero if ever man, siguro din naman nila papadelete kung sitayin man tayo. Dito guys, yung ang pupuntahan natin guys is yung pinaka nearest na department store dito sa amin, which is called the We Shop. Ayan. Ah, pwede dali na? So hindi naman yung guard nila yung dating guard yung nagsita sa atin. So hindi naman nila tayo dito sasabing pasaway na tayo kasi dumoble na tayo ng sita. Ayan. So for this well, this they say it's Abercrombie. So I don't know if this is really an Abercrombie. Ayan. Hello. Ayan, mukhang hindi naman tayo masyadong minamanmanan nung nandun sa may front, yung mukhang nandun sa may guard. So ayan, makakapag-vlog naman siguro tayo dito guys. Guys, actually, I agonized if I want to vlog in this shop. Kasi nga guys, sinabi ko sa inyo na yung mga products nila dito guys is, alam mo guys, yung alam mong at the end of the day masisira. So, ayun. And medyo napuntahan na po natin itong side na ito before. Ayan guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo ah. So kanina may nakita tayong Abercrombie doon. Ngayon may nakita naman tayong Nike dito, which is I doubt kung Nike talaga to. And I don't know, this is 249 pesos. Ayan. Conversion of dollar today is $1 is to 55 pesos. Hindi masyado accurate pero it's around that price. So ayun guys, obviously this is not an original Nike bag, which will cost you around $5. Ayun. So ayan, natakel na natin itong place na ito before. I mean itong area na ito before. Try natin mapunta dun sa other side. Kaya mukhang hindi pa rin tayo tinitingnan nung naninita kanina. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa toy section. What do you call this? Ano to guys? Do not touch? Are you for real? Attention, please do not touch. So, ayan guys. So, ngayon, bago to guys bawal hawakan yung, bawal hawakan yung toy. Bawal hawakan kasi baka baka masira. I think that is, beyond DTI's what do you call this, rules not to touch the toys. Ayan, meron din sila dito guys na makikita naman natin mga school supplies. And they have jumping ropes in here. Ayan, may mga pang scuba dive. Ayan. May mga tools din sila dito guys. For a paintbrush, it will cost you this around 88 pesos for this kind of brush. I don't know, this is made in the Philippines. Made in the Philippines. This looks like Japanese. Ayan guys, kung nag-rugby na kayo before at itinigil nyo na, the price of rugby ngayong October 2024 is ayan guys, you're gonna pay like $2 for a 300 ml rugby. Nasubukan nyo na ba guys mag-rugby? Ako guys, di ko pa nasubukan yan Ito guys, nasubukan ko nag-glue. So for a Pioneer glue, which is we don't know kung Pioneer talaga siya, kung anong klase, ano bang Pioneer yan, it will cost you around this much. Ayan guys, meron din sila ditong mga parang for beauty products. For their alcohol. Remember guys, nung nagka-COVID days na talagang ubusan ng alcohol. So ngayon for like 3 gallon. Kaya sorry hindi ako marunong bumasa ng for 3 liter, 3.700 liter. Ayan guys, it will cost you around that much. Ayan. Ito guys, I don't recommend na gagamit kayo ng mga ganito. Meron bang certification to ng mga DTI ganun? This is around $5 for a hair straightening iron, which can cost your house, you know. Pwede masunog yung bahay nyo dyan, sa tingin ko Ayan guys, so yung prices ng tissue ito guys, nung nag-COVID talagang gamit na gamit namin yung mga ganito na klase ng tissue per pack. Parang di ko naman makita yung ito guys. So this is 145 per pack. I used to sell this for 50 pesos each or less than 50. So around that price lang din. Ayan guys, meron din sila dito mga pet what do you call this? Mga pet products, ayan. Mga toys, which will cost you around 115 pesos for this kind of toy. Ayan. So ayan guys, meron sila ditong parang guys, meron sila ditong parang going upstairs ganun. Ayan guys, ito yung mga bathroom products nila. Ayan, mga cleaning agents, something like this. For their turbo mop, it will cost you around this price, 485 pesos. Ayan. Ito guys, I used to sell this kind of stuff. For the multi-purpose bag, I think this is a medium size or a small size. It will cost you around 40 pesos. 10 pieces. Ayan. Ito guys, punta na tayo dito sa grand walking up tour nila. I-try nga natin guys kung ma-video natin ng ayan. Diyan lang kayo guys Watch me walk upstairs. Kung kaya. Kung kaya lang. Kaya. Okay. Yun, sana guys maganda ikuha. Ayun, nakuha yung gano'n. Alright. $110 for their ganito guys. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa mga glass section nila. If you are drinking wine, ayan, why not, diba? Wine drinker ka ba guys? 115. Ayan. For this quality. Well, this looks like a finer quality. Looks like a very fine quality. It will cost us around $5. So yun yung mga mga items and mga quality ng items nila dito. And guys, sa mga baking stuff, ayan, so 105 for this looks nice, right? Looks cute. This will cost you around 105 pesos. $2. Ito guys, subukan natin dito. This looks cute. Sana hindi maputol yung video. This looks cute. Kaya ako nang i-erase, baka maputol. Baka maputol yung. Ayan guys, yung mga bedsheets nila dito. Let's see kung ano yung 300 for this bedsheet. Ito si Mami naghahanap ng bedsheet, oh. 300 pesos. This looks okay. Ayun. Meron din sila mga appliances dito. Ayan. And then ito nga yung bedsheet na hinahanap ni Mami. For as low as around $6, you can get this bedsheet. Ayan guys, nakakatuwa, no? Nakaka 13 minutes na tayo. So hanggang 15 minutes lang po tayo dito. Again, this is what they call the We Shop. We Shop department store. And ayun, siguro kung mga for a day use lang pwede. Pero yung kung mag-expect kayo ng quality guys, wag na. For me hindi na ako mag-expect ng quality dito. I will not even expect na original nga itong Dove na ito, since they are selling fake items here. Hindi ko na rin i-try amoy kasi hindi ko alam yung amoy niyan. So ito, at least alam ko yung amoy nito. So if this is made in Germany, alam ko yung amoy. If this is made in US, alam ko rin yung amoy. So it seems this is made in Indonesia. Ayan guys. So medyo alam ko yung amoy nito, amoy natin. So sa ganito naman siguro guys, hindi nila i-fake. So pwede na. 'Di ba? Pwede na guys. This will cost you around 78 pesos for this. So I think it's cheaper to buy in pure gold. Ayan guys, mag-ano na tayo. Puputulin ko na po yung video. Yun lang po. Naka 15 minutes na po tayo. Bye bye.